Free education. A complete educational solution. सभी लोगों को मेरा नमस्ते। मेरे ज्योग्राफी के क्लास में आपका स्वागत है। आप सभी जानते हैं कि ज्योग्राफी एक ऐसा विषय है जो स्कूल कॉलेज एग्जाम के अलावा अन्य सभी कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम जैसे सीटेट, स्टेट, बीएड, रेलवे, एसएससी, ओलंपियाड, यूपीएससी, एनटीएससी इत्यादि के लिए भी बहुत जरूरी है और इससे क्वेश्चन की संख्या भी बहुत अधिक होती है। मैं आप लोगों को बेसिक ज्योग्राफी से शुरू करती हूँ। पहले के अपने क्लास में मैंने सोलर सिस्टम के बारे में डिस्कस किया था। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे मून अर्थात चंद्रमा के बारे में, जो हमारा सबसे निकटतम कंपेनियन है। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। वीडियो को शुरू करने से पहले आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दे ताकि आपको मेरे नई वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए। लेट्स स्टार्ट द टॉपिक। Why is the moon, our nearest neighbor in the solar system, so different from the Earth? In this class, we explore 1. The complex connections between the Earth and Moon. 2. The origin of the moon. And 3. The roles played by gravity and collisions in the Earth-Moon system. During this class, you will have an opportunity to build understandings to help you describe, cite evidence for, and evaluate current theories of the moon's origin. Explain how the moon's history informs our understanding of Earth's history. Comprehend the scale of the Earth-Moon system. Earth's moon has been a source of curiosity throughout human history. It is Earth's closest companion in the solar system, yet it appears to be very different from the Earth. So in this class we travel to our nearest neighbor to collect clues that we can use to interpret the features of the moon and story of the moon's origin. तो चलिए हम लोग जानने की कोशिश करते हैं अपने पृथ्वी के सबसे नजदीकी आकाशीय पिंड चंद्रमा के बारे में। The moon is a fascinating celestial body that has been observed and admired by humans for thousands of years. It is the Earth's natural satellite, meaning that it orbits around the Earth. The Moon is the fifth largest moon in the solar system and is roughly 1/4 the size of Earth. In this class, we will explore some of the interesting facts about the Moon. First, we will explore about the origin of Moon. Moon's evolution. The Moon is a natural satellite of the Earth and has been present since the early stages of the solar system, about 4.5 billion years ago. It is believed that the Moon was formed from the debris left over after a Mars-sized body collided with the early Earth, which led to the ejection of material that eventually coalesced to form the Moon. The Moon has undergone several changes over its history. During its early years, the Moon was much closer to the Earth, and its surface was constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets, which created many of the craters and other features that we see today. Over time, the Moon has gradually moved away from the Earth due to tidal forces. This has caused the length of the day on Earth to increase, and the Moon's orbit to slow down. Currently, the Moon is about 238,855 miles 384,400 kilometers away from the Earth. Now we will try to know some important facts about Moon. In recent years, there has been renewed interest in the Moon, with plans to establish permanent human settlements and conduct scientific research on its surface. These efforts will continue to shape our understanding of the Moon and its evolution. Firstly, the Moon is about 238,855 miles away from the Earth. It takes about 27.3 days for the Moon to complete one orbit around the Earth. This is the reason why we see different phases of the Moon every night. The Moon appears to change shape because of the way the Sun's light reflects off its surface as it moves around the Earth. Secondly, the Moon has a very thin atmosphere, known as an exosphere. which means that it cannot support life as we know it. The moon's atmosphere is made up of helium, neon, and hydrogen, which are gases that are not dense enough to sustain life. In addition, the moon's surface is covered in a layer of dust and rocks, which makes it difficult for living organisms to survive. Thirdly, the moon has a very strong gravitational pull, which is about 1/6 of the Earth's gravitational pull. This means that objects on the moon weigh less than they do on Earth. In fact, astronauts who have been to the moon have reported feeling lighter and more agile than they do on Earth. Fourthly, the moon has many craters, mountains, and valleys on its surface. These were formed by meteor impacts, volcanic activity, and tectonic activity. Some of the moon's most famous features include the Sea of Tranquility, which is where the first humans landed on the moon in 1969, and the Tycho crater, which is one of the moon's largest impact craters. Lastly, the moon plays an important role in regulating the Earth's tides. The moon's gravitational pull on the Earth's oceans causes the tides to rise and fall. This has a significant impact on marine life and coastal ecosystems. In conclusion, the moon is a fascinating celestial body that has captured the imagination of humans for centuries. From its phases to its surface features, there is much to learn and discover about the moon. Its importance in regulating the Earth's tides and its impact on human culture and exploration cannot be overstated. अगर आपको यह वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें। धन्यवाद।